I got this tattoo. It is an alien number. It is an angel number. Step in the scene and seize the day. What Suko creates will lead the way. Suko creates. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been so long since I have posted, and don't worry, this one will gonna be worth the watch and worth the wait.
Oh my god!
So of course thumbnail देख के पता चल गया होगा, this video is gonna be about get to know me. So shall we begin? कौन से क्वेश्चन से स्टार्ट करूँ? I actually got a lot of questions, so this video might get long, but stay till the end, guys. So let's start with our question answer round. So first question I'm gonna take is how did you get into content? How did I got into content is from maybe since 2018-19, मतलब मैं जब कॉलेज में थी आई यूज टू मेक दैट म्यूजिकली टिकटॉक वीडियोस जो कि अभी बैन हो चुकी है इंडिया में एंड वहीं से स्टार्ट हुआ था. तो वो लिपसिंग वाली वीडियो से कंटेंट, तभी तो वो कंटेंट क्रिएशन भी नहीं था, इट वाज जस्ट लाइक अ डबिंग थिंग. एंड आफ्टर दैट I took a break from all the social media things. But I used to love clicking my own pictures, like वो जो self portrait ready होके, all girls do that, like वो ready होके एकदम खुद की photos खींचना. It's like so therapeutic sometimes, and I used to get a lot of appreciation on that one. And I know there was something in me to create a content because I have always been a creative person. खुद की तारीफ खुद कर लेती हूँ. मतलब मुझे पता था I can like create content, like give my point of view to the things, to the products, to the content. So I just gave in a year back. मतलब मैंने 2024 के जैन में ही I started posting on Instagram and मैंने काफ़ी growth देखी है अब तक. So I'm gonna stick to this one. So yeah, that's how I got into content. We need your fashion haul. I don't know. I'm not a fashion influencer yet, but I will try because मैं साल में सिर्फ एक कपड़े खरीदती हूँ यार. I'm not lying. It's true.
Wait a minute! Who are you?
What's the one thing you like about yourselves the most? About me, I like the most is I like this thing. I'm not so proud of this thing, but yeah, I am, and I should be proud of this thing because whenever there's a group of people or like my friends, suppose like अगर मैं group of people के साथ हूँ and I like light up the mood, मतलब मैं सबका mood light up कर देती हूँ एकदम quickly. That's the one thing I like most about my own self. Because it's very rare, not everyone can make everyone happy. So that's a thing to be proud of. And I like the most about myself. कि मेरा मूड खराब होगा बट फिर भी मैं दूसरों का मूड एकदम चार्म अप कर देती हूँ कि तुम करो भाई, like that. Who is your fictional boyfriend and why? Before answering this question, I want to tell my dad and mom fictional boyfriend is just like a favorite character from book. So my favorite book boyfriend are many, but this one particular character is my Christian Harper. Like he is, मुझे words भी नहीं आ रहे. He's like amazing, fabulous. He's been like the alpha male in my mind. मतलब वो एक proper image है मेरी Christian Harper के लिए. Maybe he was not the main character in other 3 books, but he was still there helping out. And मतलब अगर वो नहीं होता तो story complete ही नहीं होती, I think. So he's my favorite. We want a phone call prank part 2. अरे यार, a lot of you are asking me for this. I can try it, but आफ्टर सीइंग माई पार्ट वन बहुत लोगों को पता चल गया, लाइक आई डोंट कॉल स्ट्रेंजर्स, आई विल कॉल माई फ्रेंड्स ओनली. तो एक तो मेरे पास इतने ही फ्रेंड्स थे फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, सेकेंड ऑफ ऑल बस इतने ही फ्रेंड थे. तो आई डोंट नो, maybe in future I can try. Can't promise you, babe. So let's see. One constant product that one constant product that would work for everyone and every skin type for skincare. So I think a moisturizer, a good moisturizer. If you have oily skin, acne prone skin, dry skin, तो चाहिए ही moisturizer. So a moisturizer is a thing which everyone can use in their skincare routine according to their skin type. मतलब oily skin के लिए different टाइप आता है मॉइस्चराइजर में. एंड सो अकॉर्डिंगली दिस इज द वन प्रोडक्ट विच एवरी वन कैन यूज अकॉर्डिंग टू their स्किन केयर. ओके, व्हाट्स योर इनकम? भाई जब बताने लायक होगी तो बता दी जाएगी. शुक्रिया. So let's move on to our next question. Which type of movies you like most? Action, romantic, comedy, mystery? Firstly, I don't like watching movies much. अभी ऐसा बोलूंगी तो तुम बोलोगे मूवीज नहीं देखी. आई सी, मतलब मैं देखती हूँ मूवीज बट आई एम नॉट अ फैन ऑफ मूवीज. आई एम नॉट कमिटेड टू वॉचिंग इट. आई एम कमिटेड टू रीडिंग. आई कैन रीड 3-4 series, but I am not committed to watching. So I think I like, most probably I like mystery movies and comedy movies are top. बाकी तो आई कैन वॉच. स्टोरी अच्छी होनी चाहिए यार मूवी की. अगर स्टोरी अच्छी होगी तो आई विल वॉच इट फॉर श्योर. क्योंकि कुछ कुछ मूवीज आजकल देख के आई एम लाइक मत बनाओ मूवीज. एंड अभी तो बुक्स से भी मूवीज बना रहे हैं, इसके बारे में मुझे बात नहीं करनी. If your life was a movie, what would be the title of the movie? ये तो सोचना पड़ेगा. If my life was a movie, I would name it something. If it's about just me and my personality, then I will name it as Sarcastic Nari Sappe Bari. I know it sounds like a slogan, but for now, I don't know. मुझे अभी कुछ आ नहीं रहा दिमाग में. This fits well. Okay. What excites you the most to create content? You guys. I mean, नहीं जल्दी. Bring it, bro. Bring it. थोड़ा aesthetic डब्बे में लाओ. ऐसे कैसे खाऊं मैं? What excites you the most to create content? You guys. Audience, my friends, and my colleagues also. They are very sweet. They like keep supporting me a lot, and they keep encouraging me, which is the best. So these people help me somewhere and makes me excited. And the main would be me and myself.
Shivadarshini, believe yourself.
क्योंकि I like creating content. अभी भी I was like not much motivated to create content few days back, but it comes back कि how I perceive things, how I have the creativity level to show the things. So I feel everyone should see it, and I want their reactions. And when I get all the compliments कि oh my god, how you created this and this and that, and तो वो जो appreciation होता है, it gives pump to make more content. And I am excited to create content. I'm always excited to create content. It's just I need some motivation sometimes, and there are people who help me motivate. They keep pushing me to create content. So I'm thankful for each one of them and each one of you watching this video. If you get a chance to go anywhere in the world, where would you go? I don't want to think about this. I have the list in my head. Dubai, Japan, Korea, पेरिस, फ्रांस, इटली. ऐसे लिस्ट है जगहों के, बट आई डोंट नो व्हेन आई एम गोना गो. होपिंग soon I'm gonna catch flights and go see the world. It's not just one particular place to go, but yeah, there are many. Show your favorite childhood picture and tell a memory attached to it. I have many favorite childhood picture. It's not like मेरी सारी photos cute है, but one picture जिसकी memory मुझे याद है, I would attach it somewhere here. This picture is uh, where I am crying because the reason was my mom did my hair up in two buns. Usually वो ऐसे braid करती थी मेरे बालों को, and that day she did that bun and I was crying for that because I thought I was looking funny and ugly. So I was crying just because कि मेरी मम्मी वो खोल दे रोता हुआ देख के, but my mom was like नहीं हम नहीं खोलेंगे तो जितना मर्जी रो ले. So that happened and my mom took me and my sibling and my cousin sister to the studio to click the picture to show me that how cute I am looking. But there also I started crying. So this picture is from a photo studio and it was like a memory I remember yet. So yeah, and it looks cute. दुबई व्लॉग व्हेन, ओ माय गॉड, दुबई व्लॉग. दुबई जब हम दुबई जाएंगे तब हम दुबई का व्लॉग बनाएंगे. अब तक तो हम यहीं पे हैं. सो या, whenever I will go, I will surely make a vlog. मैंने फुल व्लॉगर मोड में तो आ चुकी हूँ मैं अभी. आई कैन व्लॉग इट. बस वीज़ा लग जाए हम चले जाएंगे. So the next question is, what is one thing that is always in front of you but can't be seen? I don't know what in what sense I should be answering it, but if in general if I see मेरे problem के solutions sometimes like वो मेरे आंखों के सामने ही होते हैं but I'm not able to see. मतलब पहले मेरा like I have to get panic before seeing anything. Yeah, I hope I answered well. DAV से जाने के बाद क्या किया related to career? DAV से जाने के बाद I did BSc IT and BSc IT कंप्लीट करने के बाद मेरी प्लेसमेंट हो गई और मैं अब जॉब ही कर रही हूँ. मैंने कुछ ऐसे एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर एक्टिविटीज़ नहीं की है और आई एम नॉट इवन, मतलब मैंने कुछ एक्स्ट्रा कोर्स वगैरह नहीं लिया है. मैं बस अपने ग्रेजुएशन कंप्लीट करके आई स्टार्टेड डूइंग द जॉब एंड अब मैं कंटेंट भी क्रिएट कर रही हूँ. सो दैट्स द ओनली थिंग आई एम डूइंग इन माय करियर. दैट्स ऑल आई डिड. मेरे पास ऐसे कुछ बड़ा नहीं है बताने के लिए. Tongue twister challenge. Pick anyone online and say it 5 times. Okay, let's find a tongue twister. मुझे पता नहीं अभी. She sells seashells by the seashore. You know I can't do tongue twisters. Still you are asking me to do it. Sticky skeleton. 6 sticky. No, I can't do. it. कौन सा वाला pick करूँ? You scream, we all scream for ice cream. I think I can do this. Ice cream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. Ice cream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. Ice cream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. Ice cream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. Ice cream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. Ice cream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. Hey, this is easy. मैंने किया ना 5 बार, मैंने गिना नहीं. Okay, so some booky questions. One book that you always run into when you're fed up with your day. Whenever I'm fed up with my day, I don't run to books first of all क्योंकि मैं जाके सो जाती हूँ या फिर I cry. No in between. But if like I am done with all the, I don't know what to do and I have to reread a book, and that would be Twisted Love. See, it is here. I will show you this book, Twisted Love. This is my ultimate go-to book to reread, and maybe Verity. I will read Verity because I want to get traumatized again and again. वो book पढ़ के. I feel that. So yeah. How many tattoos do you have and backstory of them? Also, any new ones you want? Tattoos. So I have three tattoos. It was three. I have three tattoos. So first is on my this finger. I don't know if you can see. I will attach a picture. It's written triple two. This was my first tattoo I got. I got this on my birthday in 2023. जब हाँ जब मेरा बर्थडे था I got this tattoo. It is an alien number. It is an angel number which says as alignment. It is for alignment triple two. So I got this one because तभी मुझे कुछ समझ नहीं रहा था क्या tattoo बनाऊँ and I don't want it to regret it later. So I got an angel number. वो तो meaningful ही होता है. So I got it. And second tattoo was this. Wait, let me roll up my sleeves. So ये भी दिख रहा है या पता नहीं मुझे. This is an airplane. So ये मैंने बनाया था right after this. Same year I guess. नहीं, I don't know. Last year बनाया था मैंने ये. I got this because I found it cute, and the main reason was because I love aeroplanes, whatever. So I love it क्योंकि मैं बचपन से ही I used to like go to terrace and watch airplanes going by. I used to count it 1, 2, 3. अभी 3 चले गए वैसा. So I have some memories with airplanes. And I find aeroplanes very sexy. मुझे बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं ऐसे aeroplanes. Whenever like जब मैं airport पे भी I saw the aeroplanes, it was like heaven. Yeah, that's the backstory of this. I got this after I took my first flight. Okay, and this is on my pinky finger, and this is matching tattoo with my best friend. It's like a pinky promise for the friendship forever and ever. Yes, I do have plans to make more tattoos, but not yet. I have in my mind, but अभी मैं सोच रही हूँ कुछ big tattoo, like I want something big and visible, something I don't know. उसके लिए मुझे पहले मम्मी जी की परमिशन भी लेनी पड़ेगी. बट अभी तक तो आई डोंट हैव. अभी तक सिर्फ वो मेरे पिंटरेस्ट बोर्ड तक ही है टैटूज. वन प्रोडक्ट और ब्रांड दैट यू एब्सोल्युटली हेट बट वर्क्स फाइन फॉर यू. दिस माइट गेट कंट्रोवर्शियल बट आई लिटरली हेट जूडियो का कॉस्मेटिक सामान. मतलब इट डजेंट वर्क फॉर मी. इट लिटरली डजेंट वर्क फॉर मी. मैंने उसकी लिपस्टिक, लिप बाम, लिप ऑयल, लिप ग्लॉस, बहुत चीज़ें ली है. सब ऐसी ही पड़ी है बिकॉज आफ्टर वन मतलब वो फर्स्ट यूज़ में इट लुक्स वेरी प्रिटी, इट लुक्स गुड, बट आफ्टर फ्यू यूजेस वो अलग रिएक्ट करती है. एंड आई गॉट लाइक लिटिल बम्प्स ऑन माई लिप्स. मैंने जूडियो का लिप ऑयल यूज़ किया था. आई गॉट लाइक वो पूरा ऐसे बम्पी हो गया था, ऐसे रफ हो गई थी मेरी जो लिप्स की स्किन है. सो आई वुड not recommend anyone to use Zudio ka cosmetics. I might not suggest, and I don't hate Zudio. I like Zudio ka saman. It's very affordable, but I would suggest not to go for the cosmetics because उसमें ingredients भी mention नहीं किए होते हैं, what it is made up of, and will it suit every skin or every particular person. Yes, if it suits you, you can use it, but it didn't suit me, and I don't hate it, but yeah, it didn't work for me. And उसके कपड़े वगैरह it works fine with me. So yeah, this will be the one brand I hate for some reason, but it works for me. So I hope I have answered सबके questions. If you have any questions to ask, you can ask me in the comment section below, and I would answer them and make a part 2 of this video. And I hope you all liked watching this video. So yeah, that's it for today. We'll see you in next video. Until then, bye bye. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe the channel.
Heck on, subscribe, start the show. Whistle come create, we'll make it glow. Lights and cameras, action on you. In this digital world, it's me and you.